Hello children, welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to start a new chapter whose name of the chapter is symmetry, and this chapter is the last chapter which is there in your third UT course. Okay, so the name of the chapter is symmetry and nets of solids. So let us start the first exercise, which is exercise 11A of this chapter. Okay, so the first question of this exercise is, which of the following figures has a reflection symmetry? If so, draw the line of symmetry. So the first figure which is given in your book on page number 167, open page number 167 and then check part A of question number 1, in which a smiley face is given. Okay, a smiley face is given. So is this a symmetrical figure? Yes, this is a symmetrical figure. And draw a line of symmetry like this. Line of symmetry is a line. First of all, let me tell you what is a symmetrical figure. Okay. So there are broadly three different ways of moving a figure from one place to another in a plane without changing the shape or size of the figure. We can rotate the plane or the figure. And what is reflection? Reflection, as you normally understand, is seeing the image of something in a mirror. We see our image in the mirror, so this is called reflection. Okay. And what is line of symmetry? The line is called the mirror line or line of symmetry. So this is, the red line is the line of symmetry. If we see the left part and the right part, so they are identical. Okay, so line of symmetry is a line which has the figure symmetrical on both of its side. Okay, so this was the first figure, and the second figure is a flower. So it is a flower like this. Okay, so there are two lines of symmetry, one this and the other is this. Okay, so you have to draw two lines of symmetry. Now in the same way, in part C there is a ink bottle, so the line of symmetry will be like this. Okay, and in D part there is a traffic light, in which line of symmetry will be only one, like this. So draw the line of symmetry in book only. Okay, don't draw these figures in your copy, just draw the line of symmetry in book only. Now question 2 says, write any 5 letters of English alphabet that have reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry means where we can draw the line of symmetry, any 5 letters. So if we talk about A, so A is the letter which has reflection symmetry. Then if we talk about B, B also have reflection symmetry. C, C also have. D, so D also have a reflection symmetry. E, E also have a reflection symmetry. This is the line of symmetry. F, F does not have a reflection symmetry. Then G also does not have. H, H also have reflection symmetry like this, and in this way also. Okay, so we have to draw only 5 alphabet. Draw A, B, C, D, and E. That's it. Okay. So students, in question number 3, some dots are given and a figure is given. You have, what you have to do, you have to complete the missing half of each of the shapes using the mirror lines. So this is the mirror line or line of symmetry, you can say, and half figure is given to you, and rest of the half figure you have to draw. Okay. So this figure is given, what you are going to do, you are going to draw the rest of the half figure. And how are you going to draw it? First this, then you will go this side, okay, and then like this one part is this, and you will come here now, this part, and now this one, then this one, and then this one. Okay, so draw something like this, but dots are given. You can take the help of dots because it will make your work very easy. Like here, from here to here, only one dot is there. Okay, but if you see from here to here, two dots are there. So from here to here also you have to use two dots. Okay, so count the number of dots and then draw your figure. Do part B and C also in book only. Question 4 says, which of the following figure shows rotational symmetry? So rotational symmetry means when we rotate the figure, then also they become symmetrical. Like if we talk about this figure, this is a hexagon. So if we rotate this figure, then also it will become symmetrical. It will remain symmetrical. But if we talk about this, so if we rotate this triangle like this, so it will not be symmetrical. Okay, like this one also, if we rotate this, it will also not be symmetrical. But D part is symmetrical. If we rotate this, it will be symmetrical. Okay, it will be same, it will look same. So that is why this one and this one is the answer, and this is not symmetrical. These B and C part are not symmetrical. Question 5, which letters of English alphabet have rotational symmetry? So which alphabet of English alphabet, like if we talk about A, so if we rotate A like this, so of course it is not look, it doesn't look like same, it doesn't look like A. Okay, but if we talk about O, and if we rotate O, so O will remain same. So O has rotational symmetry. O has rotational symmetry. Okay, in the same way, H, H, if we rotate H, if we flip it, so it will remain same. So H also has rotational symmetry, O has. Then S, okay, if we rotate this, it will look like this. So does S has rotational symmetry? Tell me yes. Then X and Z also. So you just try it and think about it, that what are the letters which have rotational symmetry. Okay, so do question number 1 to question 5. So this is the first part. In the second part, I will explain question 6 to 11. Thank you.